In this tutorial, I will show you how to see the damaged out in CS2. So let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do is just start up a new game. Now, basically when you're playing CS2, to see the damaged out, this actually displays at the end of the round. So what you're going to want to do is play CS2, and at the end of every round, underneath your avatar at the very top, it's going to show you how much damage has been dealt. So what I'm going to do is just play through the first round, and when this round has finished, I will show you how much damage has been dealt. So you can also see as we're playing through the round that basically here we are, and you can see at the bottom it's going to tell you how much damage has been dealt under each avatar. So it tells you how many shots have been fired, and all the information is displayed underneath each avatar at the end of every single round. Now this does only display for a few seconds, but that's basically how you can go ahead and see the damage dealt in CS2. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.